lot of sport bike riders have issues with their hands feeling numb after a while they're riding. And I think the answer to that is so simple. It's you guys are putting way too much pressure on your hands. And I know that's the obvious answer, right? But think about it. You guys, how many of you are actually using your legs while you ride? How many of you are questioning what the hell I mean by use your legs when you ride? I'm serious. How many of you are actually putting pressure onto the bike with your legs to keep pressure off of your hands? If you engage your core, if you're riding with your legs pinned to the bike, you're gonna have a lot less need to hold and support your body with your arms because your legs will be doing the work. I don't know about you, my legs are a whole hell of a lot stronger than my arms, especially just, you know, the palm of my hand. And so if you can avoid putting all your weight directly down on the palm, like, you should be able to like just be loosey-goosey with the grips, right? Especially in casual riding. I'm not talking like specialized riding, but in just casual riding, your hands should just be like just lightly on the handlebars. You shouldn't be putting like the full weight of your upper body onto your palms. That's why it's so uncomfortable to ride. So use your legs.